Samajwadi Party's allies open offer to Asduddin Owaisi after tying up with the RLD. Akhilesh makes further alliance moves. Om Prakash Rajbhar to CNN News 18 that if Owaisi can scale down his demand of seats, doors are open to him and Akhilesh Yadav is never said to Owaisi. Let's listen in.
साबित किया जाए कि असदुद्दीन ओवैसी और समाजवादी पार्टी और राजभर एक है। क्या एक हैं आप?
देखिए, हमारे प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ये झूठ बोलने में दुनिया में दूसरे नंबर के नेता हैं। ये सामाजिक न्याय समिति की रिपोर्ट लागू करने के लिए इन्हीं के नेतृत्व में मैं मिनिस्टर था तो माननीय राघवेंद्र सिंह के नेतृत्व में 4 सदस्यीय कमेटी बनी। 30 अक्टूबर 2018 को रिपोर्ट आ गई। 2 साल 11 महीना हो गया। वो रिपोर्ट लागू करने के लिए इनकी जबान नहीं है, ये नहीं बोल सकते। प्रदेश में जातिवार जनगणना के लिए जबान नहीं खोल सकते। ये घरेलू बिजली 60 पैसा ये बिजली पर यूनिट खरीदते हैं और 7 रुपया देहात में 8 रुपया शहर में प्रति यूनिट बेच रहे हैं। ये बिजनेस करने आए हैं, साधु महात्मा है ना। तो ये घरेलू बिजली का बिल माफ करने पर नहीं बोलेंगे, गरीबों का इलाज फ्री में करने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे, प्रदेश में अमन चैन कायम करने के लिए भाईचारा हो, लोग मिल के रहें, इस पे ये नहीं बोलेंगे। ये नफरत की राजनीति, धर्म की राजनीति करेंगे। शिक्षा पे नहीं बोल सकते कि जो गरीब कमजोर हैं, किसी समाज के हों, उनको एक समान शिक्षा दिया जाए, अनिवार्य शिक्षा दिया जाए, फ्री शिक्षा दिया जाए, इस पे ये नहीं बोलेंगे।
उन्होंने जो बोला वो गलत बोला क्या? उनके पास कोई ऐसे इनपुट होंगे कि उन्होंने बोला?
कुछ नहीं है। ये क्या क्या बोलते हैं आप जान लीजिए। इन्होंने तो बोला था ना कि 40 लाख नौकरी उत्तर प्रदेश में दे दिया। गोरखपुर में बोला, आज भी मैं अखबार की कटिंग दिखा दूं।
नहीं, वो बात आपकी ठीक है, लेकिन जो ये बात उन्होंने कही कि ओवैसी और अखिलेश एक हैं या कोई गठबंधन है, ऐसा कुछ है? क्योंकि मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूं कि ओवैसी आपके साथ थे पहले, अभी भी हैं कि नहीं थे?
हमारा प्रयास है कि जो लोग बीजेपी को हराना चाहते हैं वो 100 सीट न लड़के बल्कि 10 सीट लड़ें और वो हम लोगों के साथ रहें। जो लोग सपना है कि 100 सीट हमको मिल जाए, 80 सीट मिल जाए, 50 सीट मिल जाए, तो अगर अखिलेश जी सबको सीटियाँ दे देंगे तो अखिलेश जी की पार्टी है वो क्या करेंगे? तो उनका भी कहना है कि भाई उतने सब लोग लड़ो, जितना आपके क्षमता है, जो आपके संगठन जितना है, जितना लोग आपके साथ हैं, उतनी बात करो आप। तो लोग ज़्यादा बात कर रहे हैं तो हमारा प्रयास हो रहा है, हम समझाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि सबको। हम तो शिवपाल जी को भी समझाते हैं, चंद्रशेखर जी को समझाते हैं, ओवैसी जी को समझाते हैं। हम जितने भी लोग हैं, आप देखें कि मैं बराबर सबसे मिलता रहता था, चंद्रशेखर जी से सबसे मिलता रहता। हमारा प्रयास है कि सभी लोग जो अलग अलग लड़ रहे हैं, जो लोग संविधान को बचाना चाहते हैं, जो आरक्षण को बचाना चाहते हैं, ऐसे लोग एक साथ हमें।
आज आप एक ये बात स्पष्ट कर दीजिए कि क्या ओवैसी अभी भागीदारी संकल्प मोर्चा में है या नहीं है, बाहर है, कहाँ है?
देखिए, एक बैठक हुई शिवपाल जी के यहाँ, ठीक है, उसको आप लोगों ने देखा कि वहाँ 4 लोग थे। उस मीटिंग में तय हुआ कि शिवपाल जी अखिलेश जी से बात करें, इसकी मोर्चे से गठबंधन हो। 10 तारीख की डेट पड़ी, 10 तारीख तक वो बात नहीं कर पाए। फिर लोगों ने कहा कि आप बात करो। हम कहे देखो, बात हम करेंगे तो पहले हमको घर में घुसने दो, हम उस घर में जाएंगे तब फिर हम आपके विषय में बात करेंगे। तो फिर हम लोगों ने प्रेमचंद प्रजापति की पार्टी, बाबू रामपाल की पार्टी, अनिल चौहान की पार्टी, रामसागर बिंद की पार्टी, हम इन लोगों को लेकर के वहाँ समझौते की घोषणा 27 अक्टूबर को करा दिए। उसके बाद तब फिर हमारा प्रयास हुआ कि भाई हम तो वहाँ चले गए, अब आप लोग का, अब लोग खाली जिद है कि सीट का। हम तो साफ साफ कहे कि भाई हमको सीट नहीं, हमको भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सत्ता से बेदखल।
And equations changing by the hour as far as the dynamics in Uttar Pradesh are concerned. Now some more breaking developments coming in. AAP MP Sanjay Singh meeting SP Supreme Akhilesh Yadav at his residence, and we are putting out those first pictures as well. So as I said, dynamics, relation, alliances really changing as we inch closer to the Uttar Pradesh polls. The latest being this picture that's coming in from Uttar Pradesh, which is a picture of the AAP MP Sanjay Singh meeting Akhilesh Yadav. What really is happening? We'll try and go across to Pranchu in just a bit. But as we pointed out, first you got the reports of SP allies open offer to Asduddin Owaisi, saying Owaisi is not an outsider, doors are always open, so it will come down to the number of seats. And now this picture coming in of Sanjay Singh and Akhilesh Yadav. What does this mean for the politics and the future of Uttar Pradesh? So Sanjay Singh currently at SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav's residents. So what are these alliances that are being formed? What are the kind of discussions that are taking place? Pranshu is joining us. Pranshu, let's first talk about these pictures that are coming in of Sanjay Singh and Akhilesh Yadav.
Well, yes, this is the second meeting which is happening between Akhilesh and, Sanjay Singh. In fact, yesterday also both these leaders were together along with Mulayam Singh, and the occasion was the book launch event of Ram Gopal Yadav, and there Sanjay Singh was there. In fact, but at that point in time it was seen as a courtesy visit at a book launch event which was seen as a non-political event. But today, of course, Sanjay Singh is meeting these two leaders. So clearly we have reported that Aam Aadmi Party is quite also interested that there should be some space that should be given to them by the Samajwadi Party, and in that regards, this meeting holds importance. Now, the point here is that so far Samajwadi Party has not shown any direct inclination that whether it actually wants to take Aam Aadmi on board or not, but there is a consistent effort on part of Arvind Kejriwal and his team that there should be some sort of alliance that could be mustered with Akhilesh Yadav. And if you remember, in past there were these statements from Sanjay Singh that their party would be ready to be a part of an alliance that is being led by the Samajwadi Party, a larger secular alliance against the Bharatiya Janata Party. So we'll have to see that whether this meeting actually turns out to be fruitful in terms of AAP being accommodated at a certain level, or it just remains a meeting for a photo ops.
Okay. Pranchu, now I want to talk about what Om Prakash Rajbhar told you. He's saying OWC is not an outsider, doors are always open, so it will now just come down to the number of seats.
Well, what Mr. Om Prakash Rajbhar has said today in this exclusive conversation really comes in as a big surprise, because the general perception here and the political narrative has been that Samajwadi Party wants to do no business with Mr. Owaisi, because, getting close to Owaisi means giving BJP an opportunity to frame them in that in that box of minority appeasement, in that box of communal politics, something which Samajwadi Party doesn't want. So therefore, we are saying that this statement coming in from Rajbhar comes in as a big surprise, because it is against the general perception about the Samajwadi Party. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav himself has hinted in the past that he doesn't want to do any business with the OWC. But now here is a key ally, Om Prakash Rajbhar, who claims that doors are still open. He claims that Akhilesh Yadav himself has instructed him to keep on talking to all smaller players, including Mr. Owaisi. And if Mr. Owaisi is ready to contest on just a few seats, say 5 or 6, 7 seats, then of course doors are open for Mr. Owaisi. Now this is a significant statement. We are never saying that, this is coming in from Akhilesh's mouth. But here is an ally with whom Akhilesh has shared a stage, with whom Akhilesh has been seen several times, and he is making these comments. So clearly, this will give BJP another reason to target Akhilesh Yadav on the OWC front. And remember, just yesterday, UP Chief Minister has clearly said and accused that Samajwadi Party and OWC are playing on the same pitch. And now this statement coming in from Rajbhar gives all more reason for BJP to claim that what Yogi Adityanath was saying is a reality. It's OWC and Samajwadi Party which are working into some sort of, silent understanding, and that understanding is being put forward by a closest ally of Akhilesh Yadav, that is Om Prakash Rajbhar.
Pranchu, when you had spoken to Akhilesh Yadav some time ago, he had made it very clear that the alliance will be this time around with smaller parties and not with the bigger ones. Now, with these recent alliances, what does this mean for the politics of Uttar Pradesh?
Well, yes, Akhilesh Yadav is clearly open to all the smaller players, and that's the reason why he has opened up to RLD in West UP, Om Prakash Rajbhar in Eastern Uttar Pradesh. He is also open to other small parties like the Mahan Dal, and also maybe the Shivpal's party. Aam Aadmi Party could also be put in that particular context. But talking about Mr. Owaisi, Owaisi remains as a thorn in the entire scheme of things, and therefore one idea that has been made very clear by the Samajwadi Party from the beginning is that we don't want to have any business with Mr. Owaisi. Now the spanner or the twist in the story comes in from Om Prakash Rajbhar. Rajbhar is claiming that Akhilesh Yadav is not averse to idea of even including Mr. Aswaduddin Owaisi, and the only demand is that Owaisi should scale down his demand. He should be ready to contest on just a few seats, say 5 or 7, 10 seats, and in that capacity he could be involved. Now this is something which Mr. Om Prakash Rajbhar is saying, and it will be interesting to see how Samajwadi Party is going to respond to it. But keeping the political mood here in mind, this statement from Om Prakash Rajbhar is clearly going to give BJP a strong ammunition to target the Samajwadi Party and to play the minority politics. So I think